Hello students, welcome to the channel and you are watching the Ultimate English Teacher and Lecturer. Students, in this video I will analyze the biography of an Indian famous author and poet Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, 1861 to 1941, was the youngest son of Devendranath Tagore, a leader of the Brahmo Samaj, which was a new religion sect in 19th century Bengal and which attempted a revival of the ultimate monastic basis of Hinduism as laid down in the Upanishads. He was educated at home, and although at 17 he was sent to England for formal schooling, he did not finished his studies there. In his mature years, in addition to his many-sided literary activities, he managed the family estates, a project which brought him into close touch with common humanity and increased his interest in social reforms. He also started an experimental school at Shantiniketan, where he tried his Upanishadic ideals of education. From time to time, he participated in the Indian nationalist movement, though in his own non-sentimental and visionary way, and Gandhiji, the political father of modern India, was his devoted friend. Tagore was knighted by the ruling British government in 1915, but within a few years he resigned the honour as a protest against British policies in India. Tagore had early success as a writer in his native Bengal. With his translations of some of his poems, he became rapidly known in the West. In fact, his fame attained a luminous height, taking him across continents on lecture tours and tours of friendship. For the world, he became the voice of India's spiritual heritage, and for India, especially for Bengal, he became a great living institution. Although Tagore wrote successfully in all literary genres, he was first of all a poet. Among his 50 and odd volumes of poetry are Manashi 1890, The Ideal One, Sonartari in 1894, The Golden Boat, Gitanjali 1910, Song Offerings, Gitimalya 1914, Wreath of Songs, and Balaka 1916, The Flight of Cranes, the English renderings of his poetry, which include The Gardener in 1913, Fruit Gathering in 1916, The Fugitive in 1921, do not generally correspond to particular volumes in the original Bengali, and in spite of its title, Gitanjali, Song Offerings in 1912, the most acclaimed of them contains poems from other works besides its namesake. Tagore's major plays are Raja in 1910, The King of the Dark Chamber, Dagghar in 1912, The Post Office, Achalayatan in 1912, The Immovable, Muktadhara in 1922, The Waterfall, and Raktakaravi in 1926, Red Oleanders. He is the author of several volumes of short stories and a number of novels, among them Gora in 1910, Ghare Baire in 1916, The Home and the World, and Yoga Yug in 1929, Cross Currents. Besides this, he wrote musical dramas, dance dramas, essays of all types, travel diaries, and two autobiographies, one in his middle years and the other shortly before his death in 1941. Tagore also left numerous drawings and paintings and songs for which he wrote the music himself.